Hi everyone, and welcome to STEAM Challenge Accepted. I'm Ms. Callie from the King Township Public Library, and we're here to discover if you have what it takes to become a master STEAM builder. Today, we're going to be using Lego and working on our coding skills. Do you think that's possible? Let's give it a shot and see if we can work on some of those skills that we need for when we're coding. Let's get started.
Okay, so for this, you're going to want two different players. I've got my frog and my dinosaur again. So they're my two players. And then I have two identical sets of Lego. They don't have to be the same color. In fact, it might even be better if they're not the same color, depending on the age. But you do want them to be the same. So you have the same number of these size, same number of this size. All of that should be the same. So what we're going to do is one of our players, we're going to start with the dinosaur, is going to build something. Now you can also have them where a third person would build for them so they don't know how it's created. Let's get building. Okay, so I'm going to stop there. You absolutely do not have to use all of the Lego that's in your set, but I am just going to push this stuff kind of to the side. And now dinosaur, if they weren't the one that built it, can look at this and really look at what pieces are where and how it is laid out. You want to make sure that there is a privacy screen between the two players so that way they can't see, because this is all about communication and using computational thinking. Okay, so if you want to check out the links below, you can learn more about that. But now what we're going to do, and if you don't have Lego, you can use anything else that would kind of like work the same. Some kind of building block or something that you can put together that you have two sets of. So Dinosaur has looked at our design here and thought about it, and now he's going to explain to Frog how to build it. So he's going to say, Frog, start with a long, flat piece that is 11 long, and it's 2 by 11. So Frog is going to look for that nice long flat piece. Okay, Frog has it. And then, Dinosaur is going to say, oh, look for this piece. So that's 2 by 4. And it's a thicker one. So we're going to do a 2 by 4. I'm going to stick that on the end perpendicular to the flat piece. Right? And you're just going to keep going and explaining brick by brick where each one goes. But because Dinosaur and Frog can't see each other, they really have to rely on their communication skills. So it's not about seeing, oh, no, you put that in the wrong spot. Dinosaur has to just assume that Frog is put in the right spot. So let's say this one goes in the middle. So it's another 2 by 4 thick one, it goes in the middle. But Frog doesn't know it's the exact middle and puts it kind of off to the side. Dinosaur doesn't know this, and so everything that they do from this point on is going to be a little bit off until they get to the end. So you can build a robot and make it something that you can have a little bit more description with, or it can be something like this that's a little bit more abstract. Okay, so once they have talked about all of the pieces, they would take down their barrier and they would compare to see how the two of them looked. Are they identical? I mean, obviously they're not here because they're not completed. You'd want to look, are they identical? Are there any pieces off where they shouldn't be? Is, this piece facing the wrong way maybe? If it's a robot, is it missing a leg? And did you find a way to fix these problems for next time? So that's that. I hope you guys have fun, and don't forget to check out our other summer reading club videos. Thanks.